What's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. So for today's video, we'll be doing another unboxing and this is for a second-hand iPhone 11 Pro Max. So shout out to Amay Electronics in Shopee where I purchased this and they provided me a good condition 11 Pro Max. So if you want to purchase a second-hand iPhones, you may check their store link down below on the description. So without any further ado, let's unbox it. As you can see, they provided us a lot of freebies as well. We have here a free wireless earbuds. We also have a USB-C to Lightning power adapter for charging the iPhone. We also have an iPhone 11 Pro Max clear case. We also have a tempered glass protector. Though it shows for iPhone XS Max, but I believe they have almost the same screen size with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Then of course, the iPhone box itself. I don't know if it's a legit box, but as long as the iPhone there is working, it will be good. And shout out again to the Amay Electronics for providing us a lot of freebies, and I really appreciate it. So let's check now the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So this is a UK version with a matte gold color with 256 GB of storage and 100% battery health. I'm really surprised that there's still 100% battery health on this kind of iPhone, but most probably they replaced the battery already. iPhone gold colors really looks good still, and I wish Apple continue it on the Pro Max version or maybe even in the future. So let's check here other things included on the box. So we have here the USB-C to Lightning cable, then the SIM ejector tool, and some paper documentation. So here's the iPhone 11 Pro Max matte gold color, and it's still looking good and beautiful. Even this is a second-hand phone, it really looks pristine and no damage so far. It does have a stainless steel frame and it's quite heavy, but it really feels premium in the hand. It does have a 6.5-inch AMOLED with scratch-resistant display. It does have an IP68 water and dust resistance. At the back, it is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass. So let's remove the plastic on the display and turn it on. Alright. So I'm just turning it on now and setting up this device. So I've fully set up the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So for my first impression, the phone is still good. It is still very responsive. I've tested everything so far and it is working great. I've tested the camera as well with its picture and videos. Face ID works well. I was able also to log in my Apple ID and update the OS version to iOS 26. This runs hot compared to my iPhone 17 Pro Max and mostly due to its old processor and the iOS 26. It is a 60Hz screen so you can see some difference in smoothness, but it is totally understandable. I was able to confirm as well that it is 100% battery health, so that is great. But probably it is already replaced and I just hope it is a genuine battery. But I still take 100% battery health anytime. And definitely I'll be doing more testing and daily driving this iPhone 11 Pro Max for my upcoming full review video. And I'll be trying the iOS 27 on it as well. So hit the notification bell so you won't miss it. So that is my unboxing video of the iPhone 11 Pro Max in 2026. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And see you on the next one.